Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Roller Axle. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new roller axle. The roller axle is what the dish rack roller rolls on. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the lower rack's not going in and out properly. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull the lower dish rack out. Once you have it out all the way, we can lift the silverware basket out and set it aside. Once you have the silverware basket out of the way, we can lift the dish rack up, and then we're going to turn it over and set it on the counter. Once you have the dish rack turned over, we have access to the roller axles. There's 8 of them on the dish rack. They're all changed out the same way. To get the axle and roller assembly off the rack, all we have to do is press this locking clip right here. Once you have it released, you can pull it off the rack. And then we have to use the needle nose pliers to compress these locking tabs so we can push the axle out of the roller. Once you have it pushed through, we can separate the two pieces. Here's the old roller axle next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they redesigned it, but it'll go in and work just fine. To put the new roller axle in, all you have to do is snap it into the roller, and then we can put it onto the rack. Just want to make sure that the locking tab's down at the bottom, and then you can push it on to lock in place. Once you have it in place, we can put the dish rack back in the dishwasher. To put the lower dish rack back in, all you have to do is flip it over and set it onto the door. Once you have it on there, we can set the silverware basket in place. Just have to set it down in there. So the mounting clips are on the side rail here. Once you have the silverware basket in place, you can push the rack all the way in. And we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.